Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the WhatsApp channel option, or if you want to remove the channel update that we just got on WhatsApp, I'll show you how to do that. It's a little bit different on an iPhone device and on an Android device. On an Android device, pretty much what you do is your backup. You back up your WhatsApp, you like the video, obviously, and then you need to install an older version of WhatsApp, which I do not recommend because it's less safe. And you're missing some security features. The second thing is, if you're on an iPhone, basically you have the channels option. When you click on updates, it's the same from Android. When you click on updates, it's after you view all your friends' statuses, you can see the channels down below. You can follow a bunch of channels, react to some things, but pretty much right now on an iPhone you cannot delete it or remove it. What you can do is go on settings, go to WhatsApp, and from there you want to click on WhatsApp, and you can remove some access. I've seen people trying to experiment and remove certain options that might help for a little bit, but in general, if you just don't want to see them, if you have a lot of friends, or you click viewed updates, you won't see your friends you won't see the chance because it will be just so far in the bottom. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below.